I'm an artist, and so my language is visual arts. And I feel that art has the capacity to talk about really large issues. My name is Yu-Wen Wu, and this is my installation Without Water. This is a title about extremes, clearly with as flooding and flash flooding and all the storms that we've had, and without the severe droughts that we've seen throughout this world. Art can discuss love, war, and climate change, which is a difficult subject for many people to really recognize. In this community, art has that cross-cultural language. This is a population of immigrants who speak Cantonese, who speak Mandarin. I think art can tell a lot of the stories that language sometimes is a barrier.